Hey, welcome to another video of tool specs. So today we're going to look at the leaf blower. But I was going to film the video outside. We're going to go outside and I'll show you how it blows the leaf around. But to just look, to do the overview, we're going to do that inside because it's a bit windy outside and I don't want the sound to be all weird in the speaker. So anyway, let's get to it. So that's a 40 volt Whisper series from Ryobi. This is the brushless version. The model number of this one that we're going to review today is the RY4011CANVNM. So this one have a jet fan blower. It comes with 4 amp hour battery, a 40 volt amp hour battery. It comes with a charger. Now I have a quick charge here, but it comes with a regular 40 volt charger. I took the nozzle off here just to show you something. So the way that they're doing the Whisper series here, and to help buffer some of the noise, is they actually put foam inside of this here. So you have the fan at the back here, and then this foam will absorb part of the noise and the vibration for you. So this is a jet fan, so it just works like a jet boat, really tight around the fan blade, so it forces as much air pressure as possible towards the front. Because of the design of it being a Whisper series, the noise level is very low. It's actually only 59 decibel when working full blast. So now this blower here push 550 CFM of air at the nose, and it is blowing the air at 125 miles per hour, which is pretty impressive. It's actually, they're saying that it's actually as powerful as a gas blower, with probably a quarter or less of the noise. By loosening up this the swing nut here, you're actually able to change the angle like that. When you're holding it down, you can have it angle at the level that you want. We'll put it straight for this demonstration here. The battery fits right at the top, right underneath the handle. Like that. When you're carrying it, all the weight is directly underneath your hand, so you're not trying to fight. It makes it very balanced. This retails in Canada with the blower, the battery, and the regular 40 volt charger for about $350. So this is expensive right off the bat. But you're getting the battery and the charger, with if you would buy it separate would be pretty expensive. And this is actually not bad of a deal, because if you're going to start pricing gas blower out there, you'll pay like probably a minimum of that much money, if not way more. Now this trigger here is variable, so you can just press it slower if you don't want as much air blowing out of it, or you can press it harder. There's a button here for turbocharge to give you a little bit extra air. Now I know we're inside, this is not dirty. I'm just going to do a quick example so that I can run it, and then I'll talk in the same time, so that you can see that it's actually pretty quiet for a blower. So let's get it started. So now I'm having it at full blast, and I'm talking to you at a normal level. And I get the fan going. Alright, so anyway, it gives you a quick little example of what you can expect from it. But the main thing while you're looking at this review here is you want to see how does it do against the leaf and the grass outside, right? So let's go test that right now. We'll do some tests there. I'll see if we have some leaf in the driveway or on the street. We can test that too. Obviously those are always way easier to move around. So The grass is going to be our best test for this to see how it handles those leaves. So I'll do it without the turbo, and then I'll press the button here, and then that will be our turbo after. And then you can see the difference. So start it. I'll press the turbo. No problem moving all those leaves around.